Hello everyone, welcome to the introduction video on the input and output settings for PtyRAD. In this video, I'll walk you through the required inputs for running a tachography reconstruction using PtyRAD, the expected outputs you can get, and the recommended folder structure for organizing your results. First, if you successfully installed PtyRAD by following the detailed instructions on GitHub, you should have everything set up on your computer. Let's take Windows as an example. You can open the folder using any code editor you like, such as VS Code, and you see a number of files. As a user, you typically only need to focus on the parameter files and the script used to run the reconstruction. Of course, you're welcome to explore the rest of the code and make modifications based on your own research requirements. But for this video, we will keep it simple and just look at the parameter file and the quick example script to see what inputs are needed and what outputs you get. Let's start with the parameter file, which is a .yml file in the input section under measurement parameters. You need to specify the path to your dataset. This can be either simulated or experimental data in any supported format. Just to tell PtyRAD where to find the diffraction patterns. Then set the output directory, which is where the results will be saved. Both the input and output directories are completely flexible. You can place them anywhere on your computer, such as a portable hard disk. Once the paths are set, your input-output configuration is ready. Of course, don't forget to configure the other parameters correctly, which are introduced in other videos. Next, let's take a look at the script. Quick example. Here, you simply provide the path to the parameter file you just edited, then run the script. If all the parameters are set correctly, PtyRAD will automatically create the output folder you set previously and begin the reconstruction process. One more useful feature to mention is that PtyRAD gives you a lot of flexibility in how you name and organize your results. For example, you can add a date or time prefix to the folder name, set a custom prefix or postfix to add more nodes, or use reconstruction directory affixes to embed reconstruction parameters directly in the folder name. This makes it easy to keep track of what settings were used without having to open the log files. Very intuitive and efficient. You also have full control over what you can save using this command. You can choose to save only what you need and skip what you don't in the Save Results option. And in the end, all the selected results will appear neatly organized in your output folder, just like this. You can find all the files here. You can open them very easily. For example, the saved face images, the stacked slices here, or just to drag them to the image G. Here, you can see all the results. Very quick and easy, right? Okay, to summarize, for input, you set the raw data and output directories in the parameter file and then specify the parameter file path in the running script. PtyRAD will then generate the reconstruction result in your target output folder with the exact contents based on your own preferences. It's highly flexible and user-friendly. Okay, that's all for the input-output introduction. I hope your reconstructions go smoothly and get success on all of your datasets. Have fun with PtyRAD. Thanks for watching.